You know, I don't care if you're a man or a woman, if you're gay, straight, black or white, doesn't make a difference to me. I will beam you up. I'm progressive. I'm progressive. My extraterrestrial girlfriend just dumped me. Now she's my SpaceX. Yeah, I found out she was making adult videos and uploading them to Pornhub. I'm like, what? Then I found out she had a UF OnlyFans. Canada sending their first aircraft to the moon. They're very excited about their mission. They're calling it Apollo G. Apollo G. I once met an extraterrestrial that speaks Portuguese. He's a Brazilian. He's a Brazilian. You know what beats Stonehenge? Paperhenge.